Can take the rain on the roof of this empty house. That don't bother me. I can take a few tears now and then and just let them out. I'm not afraid to cry every once in a while, but no going on. You want to upset me. There are days every now and again. Pretend I'm okay. That's enough. Yes, what hurts the most was being so close, having so much to say. Watching you walk away, never knowing what could have been, and not seeing that loving you is what I was trying to do. And then it's your this song. Try to deal with the pain of losing you everywhere I go, but I'm doing it. It's hard to force that smile when I see our old friends and I'm alone. Still hard getting up, getting dressed, living with this regret, but I know if I could do it over, I would change the way all the words fade in my heart that I left unspoken. What hurts the most is being so close, having so much to say. You say it, watching you walk away, never knowing what could have been. Not seeing that loving you is what I was trying to do. Oh, yeah. Let's do this after the other. I'm not afraid to cry every once in a while, but no going on. You want to upset. There are days every now and again. Pretend I'm okay. That's enough. Yes, please. What hurts the most was being so close, having so much to say. Now watching you walk away, never knowing what could have been. Not seeing that loving you is what I was trying to do. What hurts the most was being so close, having so much to say.